How do you feel sitting on the iconic sofa?
Amazing. Cheers.
Aren't you supposed to cheers? Cheers.
Cheers.
Gunther, one more.
So you realize we're sitting exactly where Rachel and Ross sat together, right, at Central Park?
Isn't that just like insane? Like, could you imagine actually sitting on the couch?
This is the same couch. They sat on this.
Yes, man.
The iconic sofa. Am I looking weird doing this?
Let's talk about Friends. Now that we're here.
Yeah, I think this is where it started, right? First episode, one where it all began.
Yeah.
And she comes in.
And I just won $1 million.
And I remember that scene where Joey comes in wearing all of Chandler's clothes and he's like, "Oh, I'm Chandler." And he does those lunges.
Look at me! I'm Chandler. Could I be wearing any more clothes? Lunges.
And he plays a tape and he was like, "Ichiban! Lipstick for men."
Ichiban! Ichiban! Lipstick for men.
Like, what a fun character, dude. Like, every guy wants to be Joey in a certain way. Not that dumb.
Well, just a tiny little.
But my favorite is Phoebe. I think
Of course,
you
yeah.
couldn't bring Friends together without having this like whimsical, eccentric character like her. She's just so flaky. You know, like that scene where she changes her name. And it's not even like a proper name. She goes and she changes her name to Princess
Consuela Banana Hammock.
Princess Consuela Banana Hammock.
And I'm like, you know, I want to have that confidence in life where I can go and be like, आज से मेरा नाम मानसी नहीं है, मैं रखेगा कुछ भी. Like I'll be Guy Thornton or I don't know, just like something completely random.
Okay, so from now on, we have to call you Princess Consuela. No, I'm gonna have my friends call me Valerie.
You know, there's so much nostalgia attached to Friends. So whenever I have a bad day at work or wherever, if I'm mentally exhausted, घर जाके comedy center पे Friends चलाने क्योंकि repeat आता रहता है. Especially that episode, I love season 5, episode 14, where you know everybody finds out, and it starts off very funnily. So Phoebe is standing at the glass door of Ugly Naked Sky, and she's like, "My eyes, my eyes, my eyes! Oh my God!"
Super hilarious, yeah.
I think for me, like, Rachel has got to be the most relatable character ever. So my favorite part has to be the time when she gets that gig at Ralph Lauren and she has to like smoke to like, you know, like gel in with her buddies, and whole idea of, you know, wanting to fit in and, you know, like adopting a bad habit. I think that has to be the funniest thing I've ever seen.
Peer pressure.
Peer pressure.
Oh gosh. Monica gets down on her
Oh
knees.
yeah, that has been like a one special moment on Friends.
It's like a mutual proposal. He pulls out the ring, she starts crying. It was perfect.
Yeah.
Is to fall in love with my best. My best. There's a reason why girls don't do this.
Okay. I'll do it.
So like even the show was so ahead of its time, you know, like it had transgenders, it had bisexual couples, and even like the
Surrogacy.
Yeah.
A single mother. Somebody who
adopting kids.
Yeah,
all
for sure.
the 3 motherhoods did motivate people a lot to get out of the box,
Yeah.
do something they were not comfortable of doing.
Maybe living how I wanted to live also comes from Friends a lot. You know, I'm not going to give a damn about this world. I'm going to actually do what I like doing because you know what? Joey did it.
Last episode, the finale one, there was one particular shot, there's a pan shot from, you know, the entire apartment.
Monica's apartment,
Exactly,
yes.
and everyone is like that. When they say now that let's just keep our keys and we'll walk off, I don't know, I'm having
You get goosebumps, I
talking
know.
about it also. So it was like that emptiness was memory itself.
Yeah,
Of
I
10
know.
years that I had tears in my eyes.
I know, I
Oh my
did
God,
too.
why is it ending? But at the same time, it was really satisfying for me.
Friends completes 25 years this year.
Yeah.
And
Wow.
you know, thanks to Comedy Central and folks at Comedy Central that we have this couch, the carpet, the whole decor here. They have a 25-hour long thing planned on that day.
Amazing. Taking a holiday already.
I'm not going to approve it. Okay, bye.